It's going to be one of those days. One of those days. I I did a 12-minute video already, and it wasn't until I was completely done that I always play it back while I'm continuing to work and didn't record a frickin' sound. I'm not about to do a whole another 12-minute video. I could just leave this one playing. Anybody read lips? So I've already pulled all my orders. And the whole topic, not the whole topic, but I never realized I say and so much. I talk about that, talk about some postcards, and nothing was working. The thumbnail generator I used wasn't working. Haven't had my coffee because I need to, and I'm in a hurry. I need to get my ass in the shower, out the door, on the road, because there's going to be some postcard picking and whatever my little thing is, road tripping and postcard picking. And now I'm just in a foul fucking mood. Anywho, let's see. So yeah, I'm in here. You can watch me. You can watch the video. Let me get this pulled up. I had, oh yeah, let's do that. Why not? $159 yesterday. It was 12 orders. So let's, I mean, I can print them. I'll do that. But yeah, or we could just watch me already pick the orders. I don't know which you want. But anyway, yeah, the non sequiturs and here I'll probably end up talking for 12 more minutes. Just I don't want the addresses to show. So I'm just going to go ahead and print these. So I don't know how you get rid of the non sequiturs and That's how I think for what I'm going to say next. There's $20-some-odd postcard. I had a couple $20 postcards going out, so that means they get the hard top loader and extra sleeve, and we'll talk about them during the members only what sold video, where I do a deeper dive. Had trouble finding. No, that was easy to find. There's a $20 one. I gotta get my mood improved. I want to drive an hour and a half. Don't drive angry. Don't drive angry. And I need because I didn't have coffee, because I'm gonna get some Dunkins this morning. Can't have a road tripping and postcard picking without Dunkins. So you may already see some of these on the screen. Oh well, hey, I've had, you know what? Let's think on the pause. Don't let this, why didn't this one? We couldn't find a shipping service. Why? That's just need a little encouragement. Usually when you get those, one part of the address line is too many characters. So there's that. Hey, there they are. Oh, hold on. Go back through and make sure. 74 cents to mail something. I remember when it was like 45 cents for eBay standard envelope. I think that's where it was. So one of the topics it'll be sometime later this week. I wanted to talk about international shipping. It's just sitting and spinning. There we go. Thank goodness. It just seems like everything. I had to restart my computer. I think I got some sort of update, because both of my computers did Windows update. both of my computers just were off this morning. Off as one, the upstairs one was off, and this one down here was, and it's just messed up. Stuff wasn't working. And obviously recording without my big blue ball. So yeah, I'm all discombobulated. But anyway, yeah, let's get into it better, which is probably better. Probably the silent one over there. But anyway, that was the new shirt. Sink strainer full of goo. Again, I have a different sense of humor than most people, but I'm gonna wear the shit out of this shirt. So again, I don't know if you want to watch. I don't really want to do a long ass video. I'm gonna end up doing a long ass video of me just packing, and definitely angrier this morning. Angry old man from his basement. Good times. Let me see. I don't even know where the uhs and ums came from. So that's how I think of what I'm going to say next. And I guess you can consciously not say it. I guess I need to fill those voids of communication. But I sure do it a lot. I don't know if that's we're swearing. Sometimes people say that's a sign of intelligence. Maybe not. Or non sequiturs. I've not had any speech training. I've taken speech classes when I was a kid, because I couldn't say my ahs or my l's. So I did go to speech therapy. But I'm talking... I never did debate or anything like that, but I did have some public speaking type courses when I was in college. But I don't know if I always was or if it was just something I've picked up as maybe I think about what I'm saying more. I don't know. Oopsie. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I saw one yesterday. Someone asked about where you can find big postcard lots. I sell them on Whatnot. They're averaging, I think, a little less than 20 cents per card, which isn't bad. But I think in that video I talk about what was it? There was a postcard conglomeration meeting the other day, and the topic was donating your cards to a museum. And truthfully, I've not watched it. Not even sure if I know how to find it now. I had the live link, but sorry for the tape. Part of me just believes that, yeah, a museum may take it, but, and I might have covered this in a video, what to do with your postcard collection, and, museum may take it, but I have a feeling they're going to digitize it, and once it's digitized, they don't want to keep it on hand. So I have a feeling that they would hopefully not throw it away, but I would imagine it would show up in their book. Seems like all libraries have, or libraries, well, maybe not museums. I don't know. No, because the dental books came from a museum in Baltimore. So I don't know. If you donate them to a library, I'm sure. Anyway, I think they're getting rid of them. I just don't think. Yeah, I went to a museum in D.C. the other day, and was the portraits museum or gallery, and there were whole sections closed off. People weren't allowed to view the art because it pissed someone off. I'll leave it at that. But anyway, I just think if you donate your stuff to a museum, no one's going to have a chance to actually physically hold it. So go to Facebook Marketplace, go to Craigslist, buy them on auction, buy them from me on Whatnot, but you can get large quantities. I think the big collections, part of me thinks they're not going to be, they're harder to find now because more people are selling postcards. But the other part of me is there's a lot of older people who were into postcards that are dying off. I guess I ended that video over there, so damn it, I am going to do I think this is going to be longer than that one. I don't know if that was disconcerting for you all. I don't know. I just know I got to get my ass in gear. So let me just finish up these last ones. And thank you all members for being members. We'll talk about these postcards. Now I'm sure there will be a postcard road tripping and postcard picking tape sometime in the future. I still have one or two on my phone that I got to put together. At least I haven't deleted the video, but they're from back in December. So we'll do that. Okay, that's the last one. Everybody have a great day. Hope yours starts better than mine has. Ugh. Okay, see you tomorrow.